story about a life so burnt and mangled. Oh, there's knots I can't begin to think will ever be untangled. And it's my prerogative to be a fucking narcissist, but it's yours to take these words and make them hard, just like the sediment. Oh yeah, and make them hard, just like the sediment. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, this is a story about everyone who's ever been near me. They're all sympathy, insane and stuck, or just staying for the feeling. But it's my prerogative to be a fucking hypocrite, but it's yours to take the world and make a furnace for the future kids. Oh yeah.